Okay, so going back to what we said. Because we're looking at a range of values from 0 to 6, that means for binomial CDF, we'll actually just enter 6 here for our x. Just whatever this top number is, well, that's what we put into the calculator. So we enter and calculate. And for this, we get a value of 0.058 if we round. So pretty low chance overall that we would have at most 6 be working part-time from our sample of 20. But it's not out of the question either. Now C, I'm going to change this question on the test. And instead, I'm going to ask, on average, how many of the 20 would we expect to be working part-time? Okay. Now, what that means is if we're looking at expected value, which is the mean. And so the mean, we know, is equal to n times p. So that's 20 times 0.5. So on average, we would expect 10 people of that group of 20 to be working part-time. Okay. So what it's really asking us to do in this case is find the mean for this binomial experiment. And so we have to kind of read between the lines as far as what it's looking for here. Or I might just say it. I don't know. I'm still thinking about how to word that one when I create the question. But something like that. Okay. Instead of the original C. The original C was just the same thing again that we looked at in Part B. Although it was at least rather than at most, so it was a bit of a change, but overall not too bad. Anyway, so make sure you look at that change. I suppose this video is now in 3 parts. So when I post or when I get the test ready to go, I'll make sure I link these in Canvas and all 3 parts. So anyway, sorry about the technical difficulties, but we got through it. Does anyone have any questions? Okay. Well, feel free to send me an email if you do, or message in Canvas. And looking at our answers, I think I can set up the entire test as a fill-in-the-blank type test as far as entering answers goes. So you should be able to have it completely graded upon completion, which I'm a big fan of that because I don't have to go back in and grade anything myself. I will go back and double check that answers were counted If they were counted incorrectly, I'll make sure that it wasn't because of how the number was entered, because I don't want y'all to lose points for that. And I saw that happen in my algebra class on this last test that they took. So it is a concern. But, like I said, just be sure to follow instructions. And it should be alright. Okay? So, on Tuesday next week, we won't have class. So, if you want to take the test during that class period, then that would be a good option. But otherwise, once I get the test set up later today, you'll have between today and basically Monday evening to complete it. Yeah. Alright, so good luck, everyone. And again, let me know if you have any questions. Have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you again on Thursday next week. Have a good one. Bye. Sorry, Wednesday evening. That's my bad. Yeah, I don't know what I was talking about. You'll have through Wednesday evening, since we'll have class again on Thursday. Yeah, I'm just confused. The technical difficulty thing has thrown me off, and now I'm not thinking about anything else. So, yeah, but so from today until Wednesday next week, Wednesday night next week. Okay, bye.